Welcome to What Are You Sporting About podcast, a podcast about business, employment, sports, and entertainment to help educate, support, and guide you to your next level. Here's your host, attorney Sivonnia DeBarros.
What's up, y'all? It's Sivonnia DeBarros, the protector of athletes, and welcome to the special series called the NIL Combined Speaker Series. What you can expect from this series is to hear from dynamic speakers, professionals, and experts who are eager to support student athletes and help us to create a major impact off the field with name, image, and likeness. That's right, NIL. Hey, if you want to be a part of the conversation and if you want to be a part of making this amazing impact, join us on July 27th through the 29th in Chicago by registering at bit.ly/NIL Combine 2023, bit.ly/NIL Combine 2023. Again, that's bit.ly/NIL Combine 2023. And make sure that NIL Combine is in all caps. I'll see you there. Ciao.
What's up, everybody? I am back. Your girl here, Sivonnia DeBarros, the protector of athletes and creator of NIL Combine. I'm super excited because we're back again with another interview of the very new NIL Combine speaker interview series. Look, before we dive in with one of our speakers for this 2023 second annual event, I have to remind you guys to go ahead and get your tickets. You don't want to delay on this. Look, at the end of the day, it's going to be action-packed information to the utmost, and you want to make sure that you are in the right place, and NIL Combine is that place to be. So make sure that you come to NIL Combine 2023 live so that you can be adequately educated on all things name, image, and likeness. You can RSVP right now by going to bit.ly/NIL Combine 2023, bit.ly/NIL Combine 2023. Again, that's bit.ly/NIL Combine 2023. And student athletes, we have a special offer for you. So all you got to do is go to the website, apply. All right. When you are accepted, you're going to have information on how to join. So if you join all 3 days and you're one of the first 50, you will be invited to a special legal clinic. All right. So I wouldn't delay on that. Go to bit.ly/NIL Combine 2023. So I'm so excited to have attorney Kassandra Ramsey back with us again for another year of NIL Combine. And if you guys don't know who this is, this amazing attorney is a sports and entertainment attorney located in Washington, D.C. metro area. She is the founder of the law office of Kassandra Ramsey, PLLC, where she assists entrepreneurs, athletes, entertainers, and social media influencers with creating, running, and protecting their businesses. Listen, that protection piece is huge. Kassandra is a writer and advocate for college athletes' rights. She has written extensively on the subject and has authored 2 ebooks aimed at assisting current and prospective college athletes with getting the most out of the emerging name, image, and likeness opportunities. She also wrote a speech in favor of college athletes' rights for a presenter who testified before the U.S. Senate. Come on now. Accordingly, Kassandra is passionate about educating athletes and their families on the multitude of ways college athletes may use their name, image, and likeness opportunities as leverage to set themselves up for life after sports. That's what it's all about. Welcome, attorney Kassandra Ramsey.
Hello, hello. Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here and excited to get ready for the second NIL combine.
Yes, me too. Now you joined last year. So give me your thoughts on last year as a speaker and why you think people should definitely join us this year.
The opportunity to speak last year was just amazing. It provided a platform to talk to college athletes and their parents and those who work in the industry seeking to help athletes. It provided a platform to talk to them about the legal aspects of the NIL, I guess, industry or landscape or opportunities.
That is absolutely correct. And this year, you're going to be coming back again. We're still going to be doing a legal panel that will be a recurring state